Hello dear learner, welcome to all of you for the module 2nd of the certificate course. Dear friends, today is the plant ginger. We are running the certificate course on medicinal plants, traditional uses and career opportunities, organized by Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. So, myself Dr. Dilip Hande, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Today we will focus on the medicinal plant, that is the ginger. The ginger, scientifically known as the Gingiber officinale, is flowering plant that is closely related to turmeric and cardamom. The underground stem or rhizome of the ginger plant is commonly known as the ginger root and is well known for its medicinal properties. Ginger has been used across the globe as a natural remedy for thousands of years due to its medicinal properties. In fact, ancient Sanskrit, Chinese, Roman, Greek and Arabic texts have all documented the use of ginger root to help improve health and well-being. The taxonomy of the and nomenclature of the ginger. The ginger belongs to the family Gingiberaceae in the order Gingiberales of Monocotyledon, which is composed of 50 genera and around 1500 species of perennial tropical herbs. The true ginger, possessing pale colored rhizome with very pungent reddish rhizome, used primarily in medicine. Taxonomically, the two main group can be named Gingiber officinale, group officinale, which is cultivated through the tropics, and Gingiber officinale group rubrum, growth on small scale in Southeast Asia for the medicinal use. The latter differ from the former by having smaller red rhizome with a stronger and more pungent odor, the red coloring of the basal part of the leafy stem and petiole, larger leaves and the presence of larger scarlet red mottled labellum. The English botanist William Ross gave the plant the name Gingiber officinale in 1807. The name gingiber is via the Greek word gingiberes, derived from the Sanskrit word Shringavera, which means shape like a deer's antlers. Officinale indicates the medicinal property of the plant. Now we will focus on the morphology of the plant. The plant is erect, slender, perennial herb, usually grown as an annual crop, with a thickened, fleshy, subterranean rhizome and with one or more aerial leafy stem up to 1.2 meter tall. Rhizome fleshy up to 2 cm thick, growing horizontally underground but at shallow depth. Irregularly branched but normally only in the vertical plane, covered with deciduous thin scales which leaves ring-like scar. This plant, the stem is erect, unbranched, mainly formed by the leafy sheath, pale green, often reddish at the base, scales covering the lower part oblong, about 6 cm into 1 cm, scarcely white pilose outside with prominent parallel vein and scarious margin. The inflorescence of this plant arises directly from the rhizome, long, scape slender, below the spike, covered with scale as on the leafy stem base, the upper one. In the axil of each bracts, one flower produces. Flowers fragile, short-lived, surrounded by spather-like bracteole. Bracteole narrower, usually persisting and enclosing the fruit. Calyx tubular, spathaceous, whitish. Corolla tubular, pale yellow, widening at top into 3 lobes. Tube long, dorsal lobe long, ovate, 3 lobes above. The medicinal application of the ginger. This ginger is a very important medicinal plant which we will use in our daily diet in every home. The ginger has been revered as a culinary and medicinal spice in many traditional cultures. It is also a very powerful herb with numerous proven health benefits. Ginger has a long history of health benefit, including relief from nausea, digestive issues and pain. The most commonly used part of the plant of medicinal purpose is the root or underground stem known as the rhizome. The chemistry of ginger, the content of therapeutic compounds which are very important in the ginger which are extracted, these components, these contents are gingerol, shagol, paradol and gingerone, which are consumable in fresh, dried, ground capsule and juice form. Ginger root is easy to add to the diet and can have a lasting impact on just about every aspect of the health. The ginger medicinal properties of the ginger, that is the ginger relieves digestive issues. The phenolic compound in ginger have the property to relieve irritation in the gastrointestinal tract. They stimulate saliva and bile production while allowing food and fluid to move through the GI tract smoother than the normal. Another medicinal importance of the ginger helps treat nausea. Used historically as a natural remedy for seasickness and morning sickness and treat nausea and vomiting. Ginger helps to reduce the nausea severity in patient receiving chemotherapy. The next medicinal importance of the ginger, that is the ginger can help with food satiety in addition to increasing the fat loss, which in turn reduce the food consumption. Ginger is nearly calorie free and when used in cooking or brewed in tea, it raises the temperature of the body and help boost metabolism. So you burn fat more than you would simply by dieting alone. The ginger helps regulate the cholesterol. Consuming ginger can have a profound effect on high cholesterol level. Ginger helps lower cholesterol by significantly reduce the serum and hepatic cholesterol level. Ginger also acts as the blood thinner and reduce the blood pressure. The important aspect of the ginger which reduce the inflammation. Osteoporosis is a common health problem that involves the degeneration of the joint in the body, causing joint pain and the stiffness. The ginger can boost the immunity. Ginger helps improve the immune system. Ginger is one of the oldest cure for cold, nausea and flu as it has antiviral and antifungal properties. It cures cold and provide instant relief and also kill the bacteria that cause the cold and ensure that it doesn't return. Drinking ginger as a tea will ease sore throat, non-stop coughing and even congestion. The ginger contains the chromium, magnesium and zinc which can help to prevent chills, fever and excessive sweating. Plus it acts as an anti-stemic and hence it is useful in dealing with the allergies. Ginger tea is used for the weight loss as it increases the metabolism, stimulate circulation and excretion of the toxin from the body. The ginger may reduce the risk of heart disease. In the study involving participants with type 2 diabetes, researchers found that 2 grams of ginger powder each day lowered blood sugar and lead to 10% overall reduction over a period of 20 weeks. High blood sugar is a major risk factor for heart disease. Ginger may have anti-cancer properties. A substance in ginger known as 6-gingerol has been studied as an alternative treatment for several types of cancer. Ginger may improve brain functions. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are two factors that can accelerate the aging process. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory response that occur in the brain, suggesting that ginger supports brain health in multiple ways. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion. This is a very important part of this medicinal plant. The chronic indigestion is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It is believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. After eating ginger rich soup, ginger reduces the time it took for the stomach to empty from 16 to 20 minutes. So friends, the ginger is a very important medicinal plants. We can use the ginger in our daily diet. We can use the ginger juice, we can use the ginger water, or the so many recipes of the gingers in our daily diet. Now we will move to the field of ginger to observe the live plants in the field. Thank you.